got a skewer, made some holes, put it through. Got the sauce. And then both sides. Put it like that. I'm going to do that again at the back here. Okay, so what I've done here is I've got this, cut this out of the egg carton like so. So I've just cut out one side of my sail. I'm just going to do it again on the other side. So I've just cut the top bit out like so. And I'm going to put the sail at the back here, so I've just cut a little hole just here. So what I'll do is I'll put this through here like that, place that down there. So I'm just attaching this on now. Just getting some tape, taping them together. What I'm going to do with the middle insert here is just cut it diagonally. I'm just going to do two little rudders, one on either side. You can see I've just taped this side down. So now I'm just going to tape this other side onto this side here.